Dental Clinic. My name is Christian Mel. In the following small video, we would like to show you how we can whiten your teeth, which materials we have, which techniques we can employ to whiten your teeth. So thank you very much for your time, and we really hope that you enjoy the video.
You can see here the initial situation of a patient with already very beautiful teeth. However, the patient was not happy with the color of the teeth and wanted us to whiten the teeth. The most frequent question we get asked is whether bleaching is damaging the enamel. And we can clearly say, after 20 years of scientific experiments, that is not damaging the structure of the teeth. It is, however, important during the bleaching process to really cover all the soft tissue, otherwise they get reversibly burned. You can see here the soft tissue covered with composite liquid, which then hardens, and the teeth are isolated. On the teeth we apply mostly a gel containing hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide, and this peroxide is activated by light or by warmth. And then depending on the system, it's 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 times 8 to 15 minutes. The bleaching gel is applied and changed on the teeth. And you can see here then the result directly after the bleaching procedure. The result, however, will darken a little bit after 5 to 10 days because the bleaching effect is made up of 2 things. First, the bleaching itself, and then secondly, the drying out of the teeth during the procedure. The bleaching will last you approximately between 1.5 and 3, maybe 4 years, depending on your dietary habits. The more you smoke, drink, or use any staining food, the more the teeth will recolor or discolor again. You can see here on the left side the situation before the bleaching, and on the right side then directly after the bleaching. So let me summarize. Bleaching is a very safe procedure, and you can apply it, and it lasts you approximately between 1.5 and 3 years. Thank you very much for your kind attention.